Hey friends, welcome to an unboxing here. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Has a couple little seals here. This is, I'm not sure exactly what this green is called, but I think it looks really cool. It's kind of like a metallic green there. Alright, so there's the phone. It seems kind of like it's less rounded, it seems like. These are, than the previous models. It seems like the other models were kind of more rounded on the edges. These ones seems not to be, a little bit more pronounced on the edge here, so that's kind of cool. Here's the buttons on the side there, and we have the 3 cameras and the light and whatnot there. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Comes with your little Apple sticker as well as your device to open your data card. And then it comes with a lightning cord, no charger. So I'm curious as to why Apple doesn't send you a charger. You spend $1,100 on a phone. You would think that it would just come with a charger. So that's kind of disappointing that that's not the case. It's like, you're going to give me a phone, but it's not going to come with a charger. I mean, come on, people. That should be a given. It's like you buy a brand new car and it doesn't have, I don't know, gas. No, that's not really equivalent. I mean, something that you need for your phone all the time in order for it to work. But you shouldn't have to buy it, you know. Anyways, that's just my 2 cents on that. This is the phone, and this is the, I think it's 120 gigabyte, 20 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 128 gigabytes. It's $1,099. So got this through the T-Mobile. Power adapter and headphones are sold separately. So this one supports 5G. So I know the 11 Pro Max didn't do that, but this one does. So looks like it's going to be a nice phone. Apple. I'm not an Apple guy myself, but other people are, and it's just once you get used to a certain system, you kind of stick with it. So that is what it is. So okay, friends, thanks for watching this unboxing video. I'm gonna set up the network and all that, and we'll probably make a video doing that as well. So thanks for watching. All right, friends, I'm going to attempt to get this going. I have a T-Mobile SIM card here, and I'm going to be trying to activate this phone. So we'll take our little key here, and with that, just pushes right here. That releases this slot like that. And once that is open, you can just open it up here like that. Okay, remember how you put it in? It actually goes in one way. You can't flip it upside down. So it's got that little tiny one there. Take your card, and these SIM cards, you just tear them off, and it just depends on which one. So you want the smallest one for this one, and that's that one right there. We just pop it out. There's only one way it can go in there, pretty much. It has that little flat side. So that little corner there. That's the only way it's going to go in there. Just set it in there, and then we will push it into the device just like this. Make sure it's straight. If it's not going in, don't force it. Okay, we are going to turn on the phone now. Hopefully it's charged, since they didn't give me a charger. Hopefully they give it to me at least a full charge on that. Would be kind of nice. I don't know, maybe they didn't want to spend the extra on electricity to give that to me. And it's not fully charged, but mostly charged. So swipe up to open, I'm guessing. And then we're going to have our different languages there. We're going to go with English. Here, more countries and regions. We have the United States. Okay. Quick start, bring your current iPhone. We're going to set up manually since we don't have a new one. Okay, and pick our network. And I'll put in my password real quick. Attempting to join. And we are in. So just click next. And we're activating the phone here. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. This is through T-Mobile once again. For the best experience on our network, use this SIM card. Go to tmobile.com/sim for setup instructions. Okay. Set that up later. Create a password. Okay. Okay, apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data. And we're not going to transfer any. Sign in with the Apple ID and other Apple devices. Okay, don't believe we have an Apple ID. We'll set that up later in settings. I want to use it, I just want to set it up later. Terms and conditions, agreed. Continue. Okay, not now. Sure, why not? Siri, set up later. Screen time, set up later. iPhone analytics, don't share. Appearance, light, you can change all this stuff. Standard, resumed. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe to get started. It's great you joined T-Mobile. Questions? Let's see if we can dial anyone. Yes, we can. We can dial someone. Don't dial me. I probably won't answer. Okay, looks like it's all working. So that was simple. Just plug and play. How do you find out what our phone number is on this one? I'm not even sure, but it's set up. That was super simple. Almost already got the T-Mobile thing going on there. I can already make a call, and that's about it. And then you can continue with like whatever settings that you want, like Siri and Face ID and your Apple ID and all those other things. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time. how to turn off this thing now. I think it's power and slide the power off. Okay, well, we will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching this video.